This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. So good evening, everyone.
Good
So let us
evening.
log. Yeah, let us log into our account. So let us log into our account. Yesterday we created a fields, right? So let us log into our account. So let's have some more fields. I'll tell you another requirement. Okay. So let me create a field called city and state. Okay. I'll just copy some city names. I'll tell you the requirement. First, let me create these two fields with the data type. Is a data type bit list, right? So I want all of the users to be select any of the value means I want to go with the bit list. Okay. So let me create fields with the city and state two fields. So we can create fields in anywhere wherever you want, but I'll go with a custom object. Okay. So in custom object employee, I'll try to create. Okay. So let me create these two fields. Guys, meanwhile, what you do, please share your email IDs in the chat, okay? Because I have some other ones email IDs, so we don't want to send in recordings. So please share your email IDs again in the chat, okay? Just please share again. So now let me go ahead and create a field. Go to setup, Go to Object Manager. So I want to create a field in employee object. You can do anywhere, wherever you want. Go to fields and relationships. Click new. I want to go with the data type called pick list. Select the data type as pick list. Next. So I'll give the field name as, let's say, city. I want to enter the values. I want to enter the values. These are the values that I want to enter. Okay. So display values when the user is trying to select in a order. Next. Next, anyone can access next. Save on new. And I want to have another field called state with this pick list. So select the data type as pick list. Next. So give the field name as state. So now go ahead and create. So now the requirement is, okay. So whenever a record is created or edited, okay. So the user has to select city first. Okay. So without selecting city, if the user is trying to select state, don't allow him to select state. Okay. So first the user has to select the city, then only state. So without selecting state, if he is trying to select state, don't allow him to select state. Okay. So this can be done with the help of field dependency. Okay, the concept called field dependency. Just few minutes, guys. I'll be back. Just a small call. Just few minutes. Office call.
This conference will now be recorded.
So the requirement is the customer says. So when they try to create a record or edit the record, so first they have to select the city, then only the state. So if they are trying to select state, don't allow them to select state. So first they have to select the city and then only select state. Okay. So this can be done with the help of field dependency. Go to setup. So field dependency. The field dependency can be created in between two fields whose data type is a pick list as well as box. The field dependency can be created in between two fields whose data type is a checkbox as well as pick list. Okay. So one field will be the controlling, another one will be the dependent. Now, what is the controlling field here? See, when we try to create a record, so we are expecting to select the city first, right? So city is controlling because without selecting city, the state cannot be selected, right? So city is controlling, state is a dependent. City is controlling, state is a dependent. Okay. now, now let's see how we can. Okay. So I just came to setup field dependency, click new. So select the controlling city, the state is a dependent. Okay. Now continue. Now we have to map which city related to which state. So once you come here, click view all so that we can see everything in one place. Okay. So now Chicago related to which state? Okay. Illinois, right? Houston related to Texas, Los Angeles related to California, New York related to New York. So while selecting throughout, select control from your keypad. Okay. Then include values. If you want to add one more, select include. One more, select include. Then this particular city belongs to these many states like that. But if you don't want, exclude. Select exclude and then save. Now go back and just refresh. Okay. Can I select state directly? No, right? So first I have to select the city, then only state. Okay. Got it? Any questions? Any questions? Okay. So now let me have some more fields in other objects also because going forward we need a fields here. So let me create in a bill object. Okay. So so we don't want to go with a bill name. I want to have an ID. So we can change, go to setup, go to object manager, and go to bill object. Okay. And go to fields and relationships. And just edit. See, whenever we create a custom object, system will create four fields, right? Those are nothing but created by ID, last modified by ID, owner ID, right? Created by ID, name, last modified by ID, owner ID. Out of that, name field we can change to from text to auto number or auto number to text. Go here, edit. It will accept two type of data types, text and auto number. I'll go with the ID. I'll just say bi hyphen open and close parenthesis 4 zeros and the starting number one. Save. Now just refresh. And just refresh. Mhm. Now go ahead and create other fields. Okay. So click new. Click new. I want to have a build date with a date type date. So select the data type as date. Next, I'll say build date. So bill amount with the data type currency. Next, discount with the data type percentage. Next, product name with the data type text. Select the data type as text. Next, I'll say product name. And then hmm, customer email ID with a data type email. Next, customer email ID. So phone number with a data type phone. So now in store object also we want to have some fields. Let me create. Go to store object. So select the data type as let's say store address with a data type text area long. Click next. Store address. Maximum visibility of line 7. And then store permanent address with a data type text area long. Next. Store permanent address. Visibility of line 7. Save and new. Store contact number with a data type phone. Store permanent number. Any questions till now? Any questions? Nancy Raz and Bharat, could you please share your email IDs? Mohammed also. Put in the chat. Bharat. Mohammed.
Also, could you please share the course content, please?
Yeah, I'll put in the email today.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay. If you have any questions, we have some time. Please ask. Or else I'm done for today. The new topic will start from tomorrow. If you have any questions, you can ask me.
Yes, sir. I have a question.
Go ahead.
Can you please show again how did you change the object name from bill to whatever the bill?
Go to object.
Yes.
Go to object. Object. Go to fields. So this is the field. Okay. Select the drop
Yeah.
down here. Okay. Edit. If you want to go with the text, select text. Okay. If you want to go with auto number, select auto number.
So, sir, it was not the object name you changed. You changed the objects inside the object, the
Field.
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 You changed the
Field.
field, right?
Field. Yes. Field.
Field. Okay. You cannot change their object name, right?
Not required. Object name, if you want to change, you have to go to object manager, then select the object drop down, edit.
Oh.
It
Oh.
will change.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So I
Thank
change the
you.
field name. Yeah.
Oh, you changed the field name. Okay.
Yes.
So, showed me. Can you show me how to change the object name just quickly, like just in case it comes in the exam?
Now go to setup,
Yeah.
go to object manager,
Right.
select the drop down, edit.
So these are the objects, right? Oh, okay. Then I can change over here. Okay.
Yeah. Any other question?
No, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay then. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.